Hello and welcome to another update video about Chiliz. So Chiliz did turn around here in this trend reversal area we had discussed, I think, in the last video. It's been a while that I've covered it, but so far no change to the wave count needed. The only issue I have with this chart is that on the 10th of March, it did drop substantially below the 78.6 retracement. You know that the 78.6 fib level for me is very important because it typically is a level on the fib scale that if such a wave 2 correction drops below that level, it typically reduces the likelihood of it eventually working out. Now, okay, it recovered quite quickly, so it still has a chance. And over time, we've seen that Chiliz likes to retrace quite a lot. I think it was this low end of December, which was quite a strong retracement as well. And Chiliz tends to do that, unfortunately, making action or price action quite difficult to read sometimes, especially if it retraces that much. So highly volatile. I've kind of lost interest in it because if a coin retraces that much, we just have many more setups which are more reliable. Okay, and but still, there's a lot of requests, obviously, of viewers, so we cover it from time to time. We had certainly an impulsive move of the 10th of March low here in a wave 1 again. And then you could say that we came down in probably an A, B, C correction, with a B wave being an Elliott wave triangle. So A wave down, and then the B wave, and we can just look at the subwave structure, but certainly valid to count the C wave as possibly complete. C wave ended below the A wave low. That's what you normally want to see. Let's see if we can fit an Elliott wave triangle into this. Elliott wave triangle is typical form of triangle, in this case probably a contracting triangle, in which you would expect the breakout to the opposite side of the E wave. So let me just make a start, and then I can just double check if that is actually valid. So to the opposite side of the E wave, which in this case would have happened. Just do this now for educational purposes. Doesn't really any benefit to put the ABCDE triangle on here, but a lot of people want to know how this stuff can be counted. And so yeah, ABC is the structure of this correction. You see straight away that this could be a triangle. I'm sure it could be something different. You can certainly count it as a triangle. A wave up is fine. Yeah, B wave down, it looks quite complex, but one of the triangle waves is typically a more complex one. You could even possibly put, it should probably be like that. D wave down, E wave up. I mean, that's valid. Yeah, it's a valid triangle. And then here the C wave down eventually after B topped here, where the E wave topped on Sunday at around 12.1 cents. Then it came down, bottomed at 11.1. Since then has been moving up. Yeah, in what you could consider what is it? Possibly another diagonal pattern here. So there are a couple of options. I mean, you can count it as a 1-2-1-2 setup, now possibly with a third wave. Either way, there are a few possibilities. What is important to understand is it turned around here in the trend reversal area that is common for a wave 2. So standard support for a wave 2 did hold. And we could now be in a third wave rally. It hasn't broken, it briefly broke, but it hasn't really broken and maintained above the previous wave 1 high. It's at 12.6 cents. So what you want to see normally at 3 levels of confirmation in Elliott wave, that a third wave rally has started. Wave 1, impulse, yeah, uptrend, okay. First level of confirmation that the trend is shifted from a downtrend to an uptrend. Second level of confirmation, you hold the wave 2 low, check, all right, second level in. Third wave or third level of confirmation that an uptrend has started would be a break above the wave 1 high. Happened, but not sustained. So I want to see that. I want to see a sustained break above the wave 1 high of 12.6 cents to indicate or basically confirm that we are on a third wave. Note that confirmation is not certainty. It's likelihood. It's likely, but it's, likely doesn't mean it's definite. Target for that third wave would be the 1.618 extension. So we talk here about 15.2 cents for Chiliz on the way up, possibly a bit higher. If we get that sustained break above that 12.6 cent level, starts to look good. Yeah, I mean, off these lows, it did rally quite a bit, and price action would suggest that the low has been made and it should now stay above 11.1 cents, which is this low of the 27th of March. But note that should doesn't mean will, okay? So it should stay above it, continue its rally higher in the third wave, break above the wave 1 high, which shouldn't be a problem if we really are in that third wave. Okay, that's my update about Chiliz. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.